Another beautiful day. So, got some digging that we have to do to find some water pipes, as well as these trash cans are overflowing. We live in the country, so wild dogs are gonna come around. So we'll get the machine and smash some of this down. Let's go. So we gotta find out where some old water lines are so we can cap them off. But we don't have any schematics, so we're gonna have to do some digging around. So we reran the water lines behind these units, but before we turn on the future lines, we have to find the old ones and dig them up. So somewhere in here. Well, this is taking too long. I'm not able to find out where the shutoff is. We're gonna need a bigger shovel. Oh yeah. this is the old lines that brought water, and you can see how shallow it is, maybe a foot. It should be at least 18 inches. So we're gonna find out where it goes and cut that off so that when we turn on water here, the old lines don't send water in. But we don't have any plans, so we're having to dig and find out. Where this line's going that direction, this is where water's coming in. Old line going out, goes underneath the sidewalk there. Bet that's why the sidewalk's fallen down, is whenever they dug underneath this originally, the ground sank. Well, we're tracking it out. There's the water line going down underground. So we're trying to figure out where this guy's going. Transition. This is where we'll dig down around it, and I'll cut it and put a cap on it. Alright, so we got some PVC glue built for pressure. We're going to put that in the ground, but we got to clean it first, so we got some PVC cleaner. You got to always make sure that whatever you're gluing and whatever you're gluing to have the proper glue to bond them together, and also that they're rated for the pressure, they're rated for the location. That's what we're going to do here. So this cleans it so that there's no obstructions. Just while I'm at it, clean the new fitting as well. If any dust or debris has gotten in there. Apply some pressure to hold it. Wait a few. Now what I might do, just for kicks and giggles, is put the bricks back in here. The bricks help when all that pressure comes initially. It's going to pound against this, and I'm thinking we'll just put the bricks in here just to kind of help hold it from potentially knocking this off. It shouldn't knock it off, but we're here, it's open, we got some bricks. Might as well put them back. They were here before me. They will be here after me. There, see? Now when it tries to push, it'll have to contend with all this. We'll slam all this dirt back in here. Alright, we got that all taken care of. Took off some of this material buildup as well over the years. This place hasn't been able to properly drain, so I'm going to remove some more dirt and take it out. But I'd say that was a good day for the end of a week. And now to enjoy the rest of the day with my family. Bye!